one biggest question about the democracy: how to protect your constitution, your laws, to make illogical policies to satisfy the vote bank. Those are increasing too much population. They are beads, like beads spread and kills other useful plants. Same way, they were they used to increase their populations, and name of the population power they used to take advantage. They used to force illogical policies. Now army need to also think how long they will protect such kind of a constitution, such kind of a administrations, those used to make illogical policies. India, I is Bharat. Bharat has world largest so-called democracy, but still badly failed to satisfy the vote bank policies. Now army has to train, they should be only loyal those are making or support the logical policies. Lot of cost. I'm not saying they are bad or good, because goodness is individual human characteristics. But lot of people who used to get the benefit name of the population, they are splitting sets in the India, and the government is totally failed, because government and opposition both used to support it due to greediness. Now army has to come into the picture, and they have to take appropriate actions. I'm not going to become a king or a political leader, but how long we will support the injustice? The Kshatriya Elias Rajput lose our core vision, core job was to ruling and other thing. Government took our lands. Think about the other caste, other people. They did not lose their core job. Farmers get the land. Landlords and other thing, they become a poor because the government took their land. Ruling was our core business, core job. We lose that thing, even though in that they also put the reservation system in the lot of seats are reserved and other thing. And they are well aware about those has a much population, but still sadly those doesn't have you can say majority in army. Otherwise they supposed to take the full control of the country, and then they start doing all illogical. And because I'm not saying in legal, because legal and other thing is totally depend upon the constitution. If constitution has some illogical policy, based upon that anything can be legal, which is actually illegal. So lot of things which in Indian constitution or might be in other constitution that look like illegal but actually illogical, and if you say in that way it is a totally illegal. So lot of Indian constitution, one way it is itself illegal, because they have a promise, like a Privacy Act and other thing. If it will be vanished, then it is constitution will automatically will become illegal, and in this way Indian constitution is totally illegal. Again I am saying I'm not going to become emperor or king of the India, or I'm not interested for any country, but anything should be illogical, we should oppose. If army persons are not able to oppose, it means they are just salary paid implied. And I know how much Indian army people are greedy. If some army personnel used to die, they want crore of rupees, petrol pump, job, and other thing. Think old days. Kshatriya Elias Rajput used to satisfy their life, sacrifice their life, but they don't want anything. So just watch my video and try to understand when Burned system was there, Burned system, anyone can adopt any job. I am openly challenging, come and become Kshatriya. Develop the quality of the Kshatriya, sacrifice your life. They donated their land, and even though you, like greedy people, donation is too far, you also want to capture other property, other things. Same thing happened in Kashmir. Those are not owner, they want to say ki Kashmir is there, this part is there. Hari Singh and their descendant never told. Same thing is happening in other part of the India. We lose our property, we gave our property. Still, we are not saying we want any special thing, but all the governments, to satisfy the vote bank, their policies are accordingly, they make the policies. No matter it is illogical or one way it is illegal. Thanks for watching my video. And if you have a real quality of braveness, no matter what is your caste and other thing, because in Burned system, if you have qualities, you can become a highest level of Kshatriya. Second position was Sudra. It is another thing, they become a Chudra. And Burned system is only for those has a characteristic. Like if you have some quality, then you can get some job. If you are not a quality, you are unemployment. So Varn and Avarn, those has a quality, only they can part of the Varn, and those doesn't have any kind of quality or characteristic, they are Avarn. They can't be even to fit in the fold Varn. Again, thanks for watching my video.